Hello everybody, this is Meghraj and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the next numerical of chapter electricity. This numerical is less of a numerical but more of a conceptual question. Let's see what the question is. VI graph for two wires A and B are shown in the figure. Both of them are connected in series to a battery. Which of the two will produce more heat per unit time? Give the justification for your answer. So dear friends, here we should be knowing the in and out about each and every aspect of electricity. So dear friends, for that you should watch the first video of the playlist. I'm giving you that video in the I button also. So dear friends, before solving this, the graph is given right here in the question only. The graph was given. This question was asked for 3 marks in the board exam question paper. So this is the VI graph given for the two wires A and B respectively. Now dear friends, what we know that in a VI graph, a straight line represents that the given resistor is an ohmic resistor. What is an ohmic resistor? The ohmic resistor is a type of resistors which obeys Ohm's law. Okay, so that is the first line. That's an extra information from my side to you. That is A and B both are ohmic resistors as their VI graphs are straight lines. Then we already know what Joule's law of heating, H is equal to I square into R into T. So we have to find what? We have to find heat per unit time. Which of the two wires A and B produces more heat per unit time? So we have to find H upon T is equal to how much for which wire. So by this formula only we can write H upon T is equal to I square into R. Now both the wires A and B are connected in series. You can see here what? Both of them are connected in series to a battery. So in series connection, we all know that when resistors are connected in series one after the other, the current remains constant across both the resistors. So here also in series connection I remains constant. Okay, so in this case I will remain constant. So if we take I as constant, then we can say that H upon T will be directly proportional to the resistances of the two wires. Now we have to find out which wire has more resistance and which wire has less resistance. So dear friends, listen to me very carefully. Slope. What is slope? Slope of a graph. Slope of a graph is the angle made by the resultant with the x-axis. So in this case, the wire B, the graph of the wire B more specifically, is making less angle than the wire A. So dear friends, more the angle, more the resistance. So the slope represents the resistance in case of potential difference and current graph, that is VI graph. Okay, so more will be this angle, more will be the resistance of that material or resistance of that wire. So wire A is making bigger angle, larger angle than wire B. Therefore, the resistance of wire A is more than the resistance of wire B. So that's what I have written here. In VI graph, the slope represents resistance. Slope is greater for wire A. So A will produce more heat per unit time than B. So dear friends, here slope was the important concept. In case of distance time graph, the slope represents the speed, whereas in VI graph, that is voltage current graph, the slope represents the resistance, that is the opposition offered to the flow of current. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video. Thank you very much.